Today, I'm at my home field, Insane Paintball and Airsoft, and I've brought with me my youngest sister, and I've given her a GoPro as well to see what kind of trouble she can get into. I've also started an Airsoft LFG Discord server, so if you're looking for people to play with at Insane or Nashville, join the server and start planning weekends. Stay tuned for the drama at the end, and I hope you enjoy the video.
Right there, right there, right there. He's hit, he's dead, he's down.
Oh shit.
I'm crab walking. No.
This fucking pink, purple BBs.
Do you think I can push up?
Yeah, go now. Hit! Good shot.
Yes, sir. I heard you tip tapping.
Did I miss? Fuck! Look at Haley go. That's nonsense. You let her hit you? Are you serious, Eli? Fuck is she?
I almost fell.
I got her.
I'm going to that blue flagpole. You got me?
Yeah, I got you. One right on the other side. Got him finally. Got him too. Hey, you can push up. I got the two on your side.
Run. Run. Run.
Oh, hit. Good shot, son of a bitch. All right, well. Ooh, that's Haley.
That was Haley.
Are you fucking serious? She hit you? Don't hurt her.
Hurt her.
Don't hurt her.
Shot in the throat.
Haley,
What?
you caused this problem.
I see that I have a problem. I have nowhere to go. Oh, everyone's down here. That's great.
Good job, Haley. Good job.
Yo, dog, you okay?
I'm just taking a nap.
Okay.
War is hell.
If I was in a pickle, that was the pickle I was in.
Yeah, but you did it yourself.
I know, no one was helping.
Well, you shot all three of us.
I did?
You got me?
I did?
Yeah.
Yay!
You got fucking
Honestly,
Eli in the
I'm
neck.
really surprised you got me in my dick. That's such a small target. I'm impressed.
I got Kevin. Woo! That's Brady or Kev. I think that's Kev. I think I got
Here,
Brady.
you can get him, you can get him. Easy, easy.
Watch my back. Don't let him fucking sweep me. Where was he at? Back building?
That tree, he probably got him.
I got him.
If you clear me, I can go in there.
I don't think you'll make it. I think you're gonna get ripped up by Kev if you run. I don't think I did though. That one might have. Did I get him? Oh yeah, go Billy, go.
Yeah, get me in there, give me pocket.
Go now, go now. Get to the building.
This building or that building?
This building. Hey, there's somebody. I got a teammate on the other side of this wall, right? Did you come back or did you die?
I died, he was there.
Oh, he was in the building
No, there's
still?
a guy in the barricade watching the building. It's Brady, he's down there. Where the green bags are. What up, George? How's it going, buddy?
You know what I think's a good spot for you? Go sit behind that wood and hide and wait for them to push up. No, the one right in front of us.
They were, I was running straight to spawn, they're over there. I called myself.
Game over.
Straight to the spawn, they all over there with their guns pointing at me.
You got this guy though.
I know I did. Scared the fuck out of them too.
That's not what I told you to do either.
They were
I said, look, I said go sit behind this piece of wood right here and wait for them to push up and shoot them in the back. You went full X Games mode.
Can I get over there?
Go ahead. Okay. I was just making sure. You just like not responding for a second. You okay? You good?
I didn't get shot. Holy fuck. Oh. Ow. Hey, there's an MED, bro. You can't shoot from that close.
15 feet?
Yeah, there's 10 feet. That was not 10 feet, bro. The guy also shot me from 2 feet away. And I said, bro, there's MED.
Yeah, but if it's within MED, but if it's inside MED, the ref should have said something. Who cares if he fucking called it? He shot you within MED.
It was semi, he put on semi, but he
Oh.
was for MED.
Look, no, Jack's talking to him. Jack's talking to him. Falling down, you got hurt yourself?
I like fell, Jacob. Like, I literally just had to lay on the ground. I had to make sure like my mask was still on. I hate shit.
Jesus, don't go over here. There's somebody got a good shot over here.
Another solid day of Airsoft in the books. I love to see players having fun and refs making sure everyone is playing right. That MED violation was obviously not malicious, and it was the only complaint anyone had all day. It turns out my sister's actually pretty damn good at Airsoft, so be looking for her in future content. The link to the Discord server I mentioned at the start of the video is in the description down below, and I want every local player to join so we can always have a big turnout at Insane every weekend. I'm sorry about not posting for a month, but you can help keep my upload schedule more consistent by liking this video and subscribing if you like the content. I'll try and do better for y'all, I promise. As always, all glory goes to God, and this has been Jernsky. Peace. Love you guys.